Hey guys, welcome back to the Calibrate Tools DIY channel. Today we're going to get in the welding booth with a student who's learning how to do 3G, that's vertical flux core welding. See you right after this. Okay guys, we got one of our students, Ramon, right here. He's getting ready to run a pass, a 3G flux core pass up this groove right here. Okay guys, this is 1 inch thick metal, okay? And you got a 1/4 inch backing, all right? And he's gonna run a flux core pass from the bottom to the top, okay? Go for it. All right, now we're gonna knock that slag off of there, Ramon. Okay, not bad, Ramon. Tell me something about your technique that you could have done differently as you were going up.
Maybe just crept up on the edge more, catch the edge a little bit more just so I don't get that much undercut or no slag stuck in here.
Okay.
You can see it's a little bit of slag stuck in here. I'm gonna try to get that out with a pick, if not grind it out. The middle's fine, so, but again, just that edge is what's tough on flux core because you'll get slag trapped in there like pretty easily, so you gotta keep an eye out for that. Again, you just gotta kind of follow that puddle. I was doing pretty well. The beginning's a little tough just to get that puddle right, but.
Okay. Okay, one thing I did notice, Ramon, is that when you were going up, your angle started to tilt up as well. And you took that all the way up. Now, it's not a bad looking bead, but when you're doing flux core, you want to keep your nozzle pointed down all the time, the whole way up, okay? You had good technique. You went back and forth, side to side, with a good rhythm, and that's why it came out looking pretty decent. You didn't go too fast. You know, you kept your pattern nice and tight as you went up, okay?
Yeah.
Like that. But the angle was pointed up, which is what you don't want to do, okay? Guys, it's important to clean up your groove before you weld. All right, so there's room for improvement. We could have tied in those edges a little bit better. This right edge right here. They have some slight undercut there, and that's when you're going too fast or you're running too hot. Your settings are too hot. Okay, so Ramon cleaned that last weld up, cleaned that last bead up. So he's gonna do another pass and see if we can tie it in a little better. And remember, we want that inch stick out. Remember to keep that angle all the way down, okay?
Yeah.
As you go up. Okay. Take your time, take your time. Okay, you went a little bit too fast there. It started to drip on you. Right there, right? So you gotta slow down a little bit. Just, you know, keep that tight pattern, otherwise it's gonna drip on you. Just knock the slag off and see what happens. So once you knock the slag off, still not a bad weld. You started getting it right here. Right here, it started to drip on you. That's why you had to knock that big blob off of there. But all in all, it's decent. You're getting it. Okay, just take your time. Don't rush. Keep that nice tight pattern, and take it all the way to the top. But you're pretty much there, man. Just keep going. Okay, guys, you got a little taste of what it takes to run a vertical flux core weld. It's a very sought after and in-demand skill in the welding industry. So if you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and you can support everything we do on this channel by hitting the links below and supporting the channel. Guys, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.